for stopping by Chameleon Overhead Doors. Our specialty is garage door repair and installation in the greater Austin and Round Rock area. We are bonded and insured and base everything we do on integrity and professionalism. We are a small local garage door company who cares for you because we are neighbors. Our friendly technicians have years of experience and training and will never try to upsell needless products or services. Get started and see the difference. Request your service today.